Below the laughter, the music, and the endless buffets, there's a hidden side of cruising, one filled with secrets, strict rules, and forbidden items you'd never imagine are banned. Number 10. Power strips and extension cords. Most passengers think bringing an extension cord or multi-plug is no big deal, but cruise lines ban them because they're a serious fire hazard. One small spark in the middle of the ocean could be catastrophic. If you're lucky, security just confiscates it, but sometimes you won't get it back until the very end of your trip. Number 9. Irons and steamers. Looking sharp on vacation sounds good, but plugging in an iron on a cruise ship? That's a recipe for disaster. Fires at sea spread fast, and heat-producing appliances are among the strictest banned items. Instead, ships offer shared ironing rooms, but few passengers even know they exist. Number 8. Candles and incense. Romantic dinner? Birthday candles? Sorry, those flames aren't allowed anywhere near the cabins. Even a single unattended wick can set off the fire alarms. And trust me, when a fire alarm goes off at sea, it's not a sound you ever forget. Number 7. Drones. Drones are cool for capturing cinematic ocean shots, right? Well, cruise lines disagree. They're banned on most ships due to privacy risks and flight restrictions in ports. Some cruise companies will hold your drone in security until you disembark. Others won't even let it on board. Number 6. Alcohol and liquor. Sure, you can buy a drink package, but try sneaking in your own bottle and you'll be caught faster than you think. Security uses scanners that pick up liquid density, and confiscated bottles can lead to fines. Cruise lines make billions off bar sales, so this rule isn't going anywhere.
Below the laughter, the music, and the endless buffets, there's a hidden side to cruising, one filled with secrets, strict rules, and forbidden items you'd never imagine are banned. Number 10. Power strips and extension cords. Number 5. Coffee makers and hot plates. Bringing your own coffee machine might sound innocent, but the same fire hazard rules apply. Hot plates, kettles, and even mini rice cookers are strictly forbidden. The crew relies on strict safety codes. One mistake could trigger an evacuation no one wants. Number 4. Weapons, even the harmless ones. Pocket knives, pepper spray, tasers, all banned. Even decorative or antique blades will land you in security questioning. Remember, once the ship leaves port, you're in international waters, and the ship's captain has full legal authority. That small souvenir could cause a major incident. Number 3. Illegal drugs, including marijuana. Even if it's legal where you live, cruise ships follow maritime law. That means possession of any illegal substance, including marijuana or CBD in some cases, can get you detained, fined, or handed over to authorities at the next port. Security dogs are often on board, and they're very, very good at their job. Number 2. Hoverboards and electric scooters. They might look fun, but cruise lines see them as rolling fire hazards. Their lithium batteries can overheat or even explode in confined spaces. Some ships even ban certain types of e-bikes and battery-powered toys. When you're miles from shore, battery safety isn't optional, it's survival. And number 1, handcuffs and adult toys. Yes, this one shocks a lot of people. These items are often confiscated under security or decency policies. Cruise lines avoid potential disturbance situations or uncomfortable interactions with housekeeping staff. It's not about judging, it's about keeping the environment safe, controlled, and family-friendly. Bonus secret below deck. Now here's where things get really interesting. Did you know crew cabins are often located below passenger decks in what's called the I-95, a hidden corridor stretching the entire length of the ship. It's like a secret city under the ocean. Narrow hallways, no windows, and 12-hour shifts that keep the luxury above deck running smoothly. Crew members live by strict rules, and even the smallest infraction, like bringing an iron or a candle, can get them fired instantly. While passengers relax in jacuzzis, there's a whole other world operating behind locked doors, and that's the dark side of cruising few ever get to see. Asterisk.